Beach now, and right before you get to Jungmun Beach, there's a stunning flower field kind of tucked away behind this parking lot. You almost wouldn't even know it was here. So we're at Jungmun now, and oh my god, it really looked like it was going to rain there for a little bit. So we were almost ready to go, but luckily the rain clouds dissipated, the sun came out, and it's stunning! Ah! A little bit cold. Oh my god, now that is a monster. It's like the size of my palm. Jungmun now. We're there for several hours enjoying the sun while we can before it's too cold to lay out anymore. Now we're going to go see if we can find a nearby waterfall. One of the only ones on the island, if not the only one left on the island that we haven't been to yet. Okay, you win. Cutest convenience store ever. What? What time does it close?
1880. So 6:80. So that's like 7. I don't even know what time that is. 7:20.
7:20. So we're here at Cheonjeyeon Falls now, and the cool thing about being a Jeju resident is that if you come with your ARC or your alien registration card, you can actually get free entrance, which is just one of the perks of living on this amazing island. And you can actually see the waterfalls right behind me. This is the observation point now, and you get a really cool, fantastic view of the waterfall. I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes, so let's find this waterfall. That's the stuff!
I think the waterfall that we showed you guys from near the bridge, that one is actually the second waterfall. There's 3 waterfalls here at Cheonjeyeon, and this one is dry, but it still has this really cool pool. Look, you can see the bridge over there.
Oh yeah.